Umabot sa sabunutan si Pana Tadyakan at ibang klaseng ma-excite talaga ang mga Pinoy katulad ko at siguradong may excite na naman tayong lahat dahil eto na. Makakatsikahan ko na nga ngayon ang nag-iisa at mahal na mahal natin. Please welcome back Miss Universe 2018, Miss Katria Oliver. Congratulations, Miss Universe 2018. Ay, in-invite mo pa talaga ako dito. Talaga namang hindi mabubuo ang gabi na hindi tayo magkakanihin. Bagay talaga tayong dalawa, di ba? Wala pang question and answer, na-scorean mo na ako agad. Christmas, ang mukha akong The Grinch. Tignan mo naman. Umupo tayong dalawa. Bakit yung upo niya? Ang ganda yung sa'kin, parang, ano to? Parang galing ng kalangitan, ito parang galing ng purgatorio ito. Nagmukha akong alagad ng demonyo rito, itim talaga, napakasama na ugali nyo. Okay, let's sit down. Yung sa'yo may unan pa. Yung sa akin, yung ganito pa, parang lalagyan ng mga ribbon. Yung sa'yo maganda yung sa akin lalagyan ng ribbon, alaala ng mga magulang at kapatid. Pinapastos mo talaga ako dito, guys. Okay. Ano ba yung upo? Ganyan dapat? Nakaipit? Ang hirap naman doon. Ito na natin. Kamusta ka? Ayos na tayo dyan. Pagmula nung nanalo ko ni Sinunes, ang dami mo ng interview na ginawa at lahat yung magaganda, formal. Mayroon ka lang makakaroon ng interview, mukhang addict yung Pero bagay pa na tayo sa isang frame, no? Vice and Kat, ay parang pwede tayong ngayon, tandem. Kasi nung nanalo si Pia, napakaswerte ko kasi pinagbigyan ako ni Pia words lang na sumama sa pelikula ko, napakaswerte ko. Baka pwede naman tayong susunod. Diba? Vice and Kat, ang pangalan ng team up natin, Vakat. Vakat. Vice and Kat, Vakat. Woo! Ganun na ang mga posing natin. Ang ganda-ganda mo. Alam mo, ibang minsan pinakita pero starstruck ako talaga sa'yo. Napakaganda mo. Ganitong nararamdaman ko tuwing nananalamin ako tuwing umaga. Beautiful, beautiful angel. Sexy po. Kaya naman, nilaliman ko yung damit ko eh. Sabi ko, nilaliman mo pa yung mukhang may goiter ako sila. Napakaganda mo. Kasi ang ganda ng pamilya mo.
Thank you.
Nakita ko yung nanay at tatay mo kanina.
Sobrang ganda ng
Ang ganda ng nanay mo. At yung tatay mo mukhang may-ari ng KFC. Ang tatay mo, no?
You know, when I was a little girl, everyone would be like, is that your grandpa? Hindi naman po.
Kasi mukhang Santa Claus. At diba yung Santa Claus, lolo natin lahat, pero your dad is so handsome. Hi, Daddy! Hi, Daddy! Your daughter is so beautiful. Can I be your daughter also?
I love it.
You have choices. I will be your daughter or we'll make another daughter together. What's your choice? Pero ang gwapo talaga ng tatay mo, alam mo may dalang manok. Daddy, isang bakit naman siya? Yung tatay mo tumatawa na lang pero hindi niya alam siya yung pinagtatawa na doon.
Masaya lang siya.
Joke lang. Okay, mag-chikahan tayo. And bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy, I want to say thank you very much for allowing me to interview you tonight.
Siyempre, Ate Vice, I wanted to guest on GGB before I left.
You were so busy. She was actually scheduled to guest, di ba? Kaya lang na-cancel dahil ang dami mong ganap. Siyempre, ayoko namang maabala ka sa pag-prepare mo for Miss Universe.
True, but at least mas bangga yung set natin ngayon.
Oh, so nilalait na yung set ng Miss Universe. makabonggang
But
sila.
at least nakalaban ako today.
O bakit? Nakapuro lang sa akin yun. Ang layo ng itsura natin dalawa, ano? Mukhang Miss Universe, mukhang intergalactic na may itsura ko. Anyway, eto na, magtanungan na tayo. Kasi syempre, kami lahat ng mga Miss Universe fanatics, ang dami namin mga tanong sa mga sarili namin. Diba kung anong mga nagaganap bago mag-Miss Universe, kung anong nagaganap sa backstage, diba? Kung paano kayo nakikisalamuha sa isa't isa. Pero bago ka pumunta ng Thailand, syempre, di ba lumalabas na yung mga pictures ng mga candidates from around the world, di ba? Kung sino yung mga kasali. Nung nakita mo yung mga pictures online, sino yung, nung nakita mo sa, ay mukhang ito mabigat kong kalaban ko. Sino yung kinabahan ka?
From pictures lang,
Sa
so
pictures
beauty
pa
lang.
lang.
Sobrang ganda si Miss Russia, Hungary, Jamaica,
Ang gaganda nila lahat sa pictures nung nakita mo.
yun nga.
Pero lahat sila hindi sumema, yung mga nabanggit mo. So sabi sa inyo, huwag kayo nagpapaniwala sa litrato eh. Tingin yung Instagram ko, daming likes. Ang layo sa katotohanan. Diba? Siyempre sa picture, budol is real. Pero sa picture, sila ito, ang gaganda nila. Talagang feeling mo, mahigpit mo silang kalaban.
Beauty of face-wise lang.
Oo, face-wise. Pero nung nagpunta ka na doon, nung nasa Thailand ka na, at nakita mo sila sa personal, sino yung, yung namangha ka, yung kahit paano na starstruck ka din.
Starstruck. It always in my mind si Miss Russia because she looks like a Barbie doll in real life, like not even a pore.
Alam mo, you're really beautiful, but you tend to be very offensive at times. Okay, as you were saying, walang kapor-por.
As in like, parang mali ka lang siya.
Oh. Parang ganito lang. May por ako, pero 4, kaya pores. Si Miss Russia talaga, ang ganda sa
she's the one
personal.
that's stuck in my mind because every time you see her, she's just...
Mabait siya.
Oo.
Talaga.
Actually, in yung batch, actually, even when I'm talking to yung housemate ko, si Miss USA, she
Si Miss USA iba housemate mo?
Oo.
Di ba na-bash yun? Huwag kang makikipagkaibigan ko, nagkaibigan ko. Charot lang. Charot lang. Papatawa lang ako. Oh, mabait naman. Mabait yun. Actually, nakasama ko siya ng isang araw. Kumibig yun sa Timog eh. Oo, nakasabay ko. Nasa 7-Eleven, bumibili ng hotdog. Sabi ko, ikaw pala yung Miss USA. Mabait naman. She was nice. Everyone was nice.
Wala akong experience na, everyone is just friendly. I didn't have that, some people are like, backstage, there's sabotage, or there's mean girls, but I didn't have the experience.
Yung top 3 mo,
Oh,
nung habang tumatagal na, bago yung coronation night, sino yung parang sabi mo, ay, ito makakasama ko sa top 3?
top 3. I really like, South Africa and Venezuela were very strong. Even from before the pan. Venezuela was one of the first girls to be crowned, and her walk is killer. Like, I love her ramp walk. And then South Africa naman very well spoken. I also thought that Costa Rica was very strong because she seemed very natural in her personality, the way that she was really friendly. Sino pa ba?
Tama na, top 3 lang, di ba?
Ay, okay, ayan. May option.
Magaling siya talaga, pero mahina siya sa math. Buti na lang walang math sa Miss Universe mo. Tapos nung dalawa na lang kayo ni Miss, sino ba yung...
South Africa.
South Africa. Di ba pag dalawa na lang magkahawak kayo? Di ba lagi ganun magkahawak na kabuton? Tapos hindi naman wala na kayong mikropono, nakikita na magkahawak kayo sa gagawin. Yung totoo, ano ba mga sinasabi?
Did you read our lips? What do you think
Hindi
we
ko nga
said?
kasi tulala na ako noon eh. Ang mahal nagdadasal na ako noon. Sabi ko, Philippines, 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 Philippines. Gumagano na ako. Tapos nakikita ko, ano ba sinasabi niya. Sabi ko na, tayo na-etchos lang na tayo nitong dalawa to. Pero ang totoo pala, nagmumurahan lang sila. Anong sinasabi niya?
It was more like, I said, I'm so happy to be here with you. I know whatever will happen, you'll be amazing. She said, you too, babe, you too.
Yuto lang.
You too yung band.
Yuto ka lang, wala masyadong message. Itera din yun.
It's such a nerve-wracking moment kasi, sobrang...
Pero that moment, you knew it was gonna be you. Kasi we knew it.
Why are you praying?
Yeah, we knew. From the very start, we knew it was gonna be you. How about you? Did you know it was gonna be you? Because if you knew that it was gonna be you, just like us, we knew it was gonna be you, then we
you.
all knew. Kasi yung ngiti mo, yung mukha mo, yung tindig mo, confident ako, tapos na yung laban.
But inside, grabe yung puso ko, as in, like, I felt like yeah, it was just that moment na parang the world shuts down and then you're just waiting for that one country to be called by Steve and you're hoping and praying that he says it right.
Tapos na lang.
Walang fear eh, di ba?
Oh, ang nakakala ko doon, pagbanggit ng country, mag-aantay ka ng ilang segundo kasi baka mabawi. Diba? Pag sinabing, Philippines, kakinya ka pa muna. Kasi usually kasi, Philippines, eh, yung pag si Steve Harvey, Philippines! Well... Diba? Magdududa ka na eh. Di ba? Telegibe? Ako ikaw, yung personally, ang naman sinasabi, anyari? Pero sa swimsuit, sino pinaka-sex?
Costa Rica.
Talaga?
Yeah, she...
Anong waistline niya?
Hindi ko alam. I didn't go up to her with a measuring tape.
Ang liit talaga ng, kurbada talaga.
Yung curves niya, grabe. Well, that's what I find beautiful naman.
Pero yung rampa mo, parang ikaw yung pinaka-sex. Sorry siya ka na, may hirap ako sa, my English is, it's like my cell phone, it's low bat. You have to charge it every now and then. Sino pinaka-best friend mo?
Denmark and Sweden. They're my besties ever since, because actually we're from the same batch of Miss World in 2016.
Ah!
So parang reunited.
Oo.
They came to visit the Philippines just after I won Bini Bini. Tapos they were on a trip from India. And then they were actually thinking, you know what, Kat, we'd actually like to try and compete then. And then Miss Denmark, she was appointed.
Oh.
And she was like, oh my gosh, Kat, we're gonna be together in Thailand. And then Miss Sweden, she competed and she won. So we were like, oh my god, we're all gonna be together!
Alam mo, kahit ano sabihin mo, hindi ka naiintindihan kasi tinititigan lang kita. Yung mukha niya parang nangungusap, yung promise, wala akong naiintindihan kasi napapaganyan lang ako sa'yo. Ang ganda talaga niya, yung parang, pinagkaiba namin, dalawa rin man ang mata ko. May butas din naman yung ilong ko. May mali eh. Kaya pag sumasagot, hindi ko talaga na iniintindihan, tinitingnan ko na, ang ganda niya itong babae. Ilang taong ka na?
25.
25 ka na, ang fresh mo pa. Ako 24 pa lang, bulok na ako. So sa Miss Universe, pag walang activities, yung mga fellow candidates mo, ano mga pinag-uusapan nyo? Tungkol pa rin sa contest?
Actually, no. We talk about food. Because we're always hungry, and also about our countries. We're sharing about, for me, the Philippines. I keep saying, have you ever visited? Come visit our beaches, come visit our mountains. Adobo?
It's edible. It depends on what school you're from. From our school, we say edible. How about from our school?
Adobo?
Adobo. Oh my God. It's adobo. When it's fully cooked, it's adobo. But when it's hard, it's adobe. Nagtatanong ba sila? Kasi yung iba, pinapatikin nila yung adobo. Did you ever cook for them?
Kaming kitchen job.
Wala kayong kitchen? Mahirap pa na itong Miss Universe. Wala pa kitchen.
My buffet lunch and dinner.
Oh, isa siya. Buffet. Tara. Paano pa kumakain kayo buffet?